Geratones, what is going on, y'all? I hope y'all are well and in awesome, amazing health out there. If you're new around here, let me tell you who I am. I am Jaren. I am a voice teacher, speech trainer, and the proud founder and owner of this amazing studio, the Jaren M. LaGuerre Studio. Y'all requested it. I love her. I love her gifts. She's killing it on the show. So we're going to hear a little bit of this wonderful rendition of this great song. And I don't know why it took me so long to get to this song. She killed it. I don't know why it took me forever to get to this, but we're here now. No time to present, so let's just do it. So as I always say, this is more so an analysis and not a reaction. So if you don't like starting and stopping a lot in the moment and things like that, then go on to another video. But if you like starting and stopping and talk about things as they happen, then this is a channel and a video for you. So y'all, let's get into this awesome singer and this wonderful gift she has. Here's Kim CRUSE singing Best Part on The Voice.
You don't know, baby, that when you hold me, yeah, you kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing.
She almost has a super cool, like, classical trill in her vibrato. Da da da. Like a jazz trill, if you will. It's very unique. It's not like a regular vibrato where it's like, sweetest thing, sweetest thing. You know, there's a nice trill undertone in her vibrato right there. I love it.
Yeah, and it won't change if I had it my way.
Something like that. Like she kind of hummed through it and opened up on the eyes. She came down on that run right there. And I think there was a little soft palate drop, a little velum drop. So that little tiny bit of nasality came in the voice right there. And it's probably because of that M consonant, because the M consonant is a nasal consonant. So you use your nasality to make the M happen. But the nasality kind of went away. She went more into the ah vowel towards the end of that run right there. That was fire though.
You would know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. Sing it. You're the sunshine in the rain when it's pouring.
I like how she changed the melody. Instead of, you're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. Whatever she did, she kind of changed the melody line to fit her voice. But it really fit, and it almost gave a narrative undertone or a narrative texture to the pacing of her singing right there. Really nice.
Won't you give yourself to me?
Won't you give yourself to me? So she kind of had a grit on the give yourself to me. Give yourself to me. And you kind of see her body kind of settle in that give. Once you give yourself to me. All right, Kim.
Give it all. I just want to see. I just want to see how beautiful, beautiful you are.
Beautiful you are. I love the musical choices she does and the note choices that she does in her nuances here. Beautiful you are. It was so nice and breezy and easy and so well placed. It was just such a nice, easy nuance she inserted right there in this song right here.
You know that I see it, and I know you're a star.
So she had like a glottal stop. So she emphasized that note with the glottal stop. Or maybe it was an aspirate glottal type thing. No, I think it was more glottal. Either way, I don't care what it was. It was fire, okay? I love how she did that.
Wherever you go,
No matter how far, no matter. So that soft palate, that velumous drop, so the nasality is coming in her voice. Ma, instead of ma. And that tongue is also playing a role too. The tongue is kind of flatter and going back a little bit. Ah, stop, ah. It gives kind of like a nice whole texture, like a wholeness in the depth of her voice. And I don't mean whole as in whole, like H-O-L-E. I mean W-H-O-L-E, like full, whole texture in her voice.
if life was a movie, then you're the best part.
So she kind of took off the R instead of parts, and let the nasality of the ah that she brought in her voice kind of take place of the R. And then she kind of brought a different diphthong instead of part. Part wouldn't be a diphthong because AR wouldn't be a diphthong, but she kind of made it a diphthong. Part. Almost like an A to like an IE thing. Part. Yeah. Part. And then she put that T towards the end.
Say something. If you love me, won't you? Love me, won't you?
If you enjoyed this analysis, click subscribe down below and click the alert button next to it so you know when the next video is posted. And as I will always say to you, be vocally bold, creative, and aware, but most of all, be vocally you. Alright, y'all, I see y'all real soon.